I said hi guys too early, I think. I don't know. But why is this glass pane here? No, not plain. No, okay. So I'm going to be doing. Why is there music? Okay, so this is a mini-sode. The first mini-sode I'm ever making. Not only. But, so basically, I'm going to make a chicken farm. Like somewhere, I would say probably like over here. In my next mini-sode, I'll probably try to get rid of all of this. But that's gonna be really hard, so I'll probably just do that off camera. Also, whenever I beat the dragon, I'm not gonna be like, oh my gosh guys, we can go get some stuff, like in hardcore. Like those people where they mine to like the ores. They mine a whole circle down until bedrock, but they don't mine the ores. I'm not gonna do that. I'll probably only be doing this world until I get netherite. Like netherite tools, armor, and other stuff. So yeah. Actually, I could try to beat it 2 times. You never know. So yeah, I'm gonna cut through this video. No, like not cut through. Cut to whenever it's daytime again. Oh, I have to grab this. Do I have some coal? I do. Just enough. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it right. Okay, so it is daytime now. Yeah. Yay. I will cut these trees later, don't worry. Why is it laggy again? Now the day is gonna go past. Oh. Okay, so I'm probably gonna make the chicken farm over here. No. Yeah, I'd say probably over here. But we do need chickens first, which chickens spawn over there because mobs despawn over here, but they still, you know what? If this video gets like 10 likes, I will kill every single one of my horses except the bone. Skello is okay and intact. Skelby. I'll name it Skelby, yeah. Skelby, that's the name now. Skelby. Finally a name that I can remember. I should really cover that up. Oh, but the thing will fall. Whatever. I don't need pressure plates. And that's basically the only item that I need in my inventory, except pumpkins and stairs, so. I wasted one. Just wait, guys. Guys, I will go, oh, now I can't. Well, that's gonna be hard. What do I do now? I could use this, but shield. What's your shire sauce? What is there? I guess I could just. Only thing I could use is this. Oh no. Why does it make that? Why does it make that color? It's so weird. Well. Does this work? Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, it does! No way. I almost broke it with no. I'd be so sad. Where's my shears? Okay. Wait, what? How? Actually, no, it seems like a reasonable time. Where are the chickens? Where are the chickens? Where are the chickens? I need some chickens. Please. I saw some chickens over there earlier, but I can't go back to the mountains. That would be cheating of my last video. Ow. Wait, what is it? I found chicken. Whoa. It's kind of weird. Okay, you're coming with me. Where's my leads? Oh. Chicken, you can't get away. Well, yeah, but I need to find, like, stuff. I saw, like, a thing where you have to have slabs and stuff. But I forgot the thing. Well, you need a hopper, too, so. Yay. 2 chickens. Of course, chicken. Oh yeah, I should have killed those llamas in the village yesterday. Why? Because I could get more leads. That's where I get my leads from. It's like, I'm a detective. Oh, I know a thing. Like, I could probably use, me knowing how to go across 1 block gaps. Okay, so the farm is most likely going to be over here. Yeah, it's gonna be. But we need wood, so I need to chop down some things. Hey furnace, here's some iron. Iron. Yay, now you just have to wait. Where'd this chicken go? No, you're going inside my house. Okay, nice, you're in my house now. This is a random chicken in my house. Anyone that has chickens, can someone clarify if having a chicken is good or not? Like in the random of your house. I mean, I don't think it would be because they would poop everywhere. But I mean, it would be really weird if you could just train them like dogs. Oh dang, he grew up! Yay! Hi, Gregory Jr. Oh yeah, you can get up now if you want. You can get up now if you want. Don't. No. Chicken, what are you doing? Cup, you char. Cup. You char. Guys, come up. Yeah, you too. You too, Gregory. Bro, okay, I probably have to wait a whole nother day for this, so. Bro, get up. Bro, what is it with you guys? Just get up. Is it that hard? I can't make stairs because that would get in the way. I could make ladders, but they can't go on, I'm pretty sure. I could test that. Bro, get up. Fine. If you want me to help you up, I will do this. Bong. Guys, learn. Bong. Guys, even learn more. Bong. You can get up. I don't want to break. You know what? At this point, I don't even need these chests. Actually, I do. I made this basement for no reason. Bro, get up. Chicken. Chicken, what is happening to your lead? Bro, get up. Chicken, you're doing it. You're doing it, chicken. Can't get up because of that, though. You know what? This might be wanting you to not get up here, so. Was that? You know, it might be, but chicken still doesn't want to go up. Bro, what is it with you guys and going upstairs? Bro, you get up now. You know what? I don't think... I mean, you can just stay down here for a while. But Gregory Jr.'s teleport to me. Gregory. Teleport to me? Okay, thanks. No, Gregory. Come in. Come in now. It's not safe to be left out in the darkness of monsters. Yep. So. It's gonna make it infinitely hard to... No? Okay. Chicken, get up now. You can. It's free. Bro. Do I really need to do this? There, get up now. It was that. Oh my gosh. Well, I mean, the day's getting dark now, so. Oh yeah, it's really getting dark. That's not the clock. Tell me the chicken, please, didn't go into the basement again. Okay. Bro, why does it do this glitch? I could go into there for a second. Not taking any chances. Okay. Ow. That hurt me too. So I'm just gonna cut till this is done. Okay. It's almost done, guys. Finally. It's been 13 minutes and this is supposed to be a mini-sode. Hopper! Hopper now! Hopper! Wait, what? Okay, I need a chest. Don't go down. Come up, chicken. You can do it. Okay, so I just need to break all of this. Like, what is the purpose of this? Oh yeah, I have green dye. Why can't I just put in my dyes chest? Yeah, dyes. Okay, dyes. Where are you, dyes? Oh, I have a chicken or I have an egg already. So I can make I think. Oh yeah, I can. Where are you, chicken? Chicken. Oh, you're here with the rest of the gang? Oh, I think she wants to get out. Chicken, come here. Okay, chicken, let's go. No, but I need an axe too. I need, bro. I don't need this. Oh yeah, I could just leave it outside. Okay, so if I just break a couple. Bro. Fine, I don't need the farming utensil. Here. Farming plus tools plus farming utensils. I will actually do that. Why is there a pig in my... You know what? Never mind. I'm not asking. Why is that... Bro, this chicken is so annoying. And I can't let go of it because it'll go everywhere and I can't find it again. Okay. So... Oh yeah, axe. Hi guys, so I need some sticks. Yep, some wood. Yep, I need that. Yep. Now I need some stick. One. Finally, I got it. Do I need these sticks? I don't think so. Finally. Where's my axe? Okay. Wait a minute, I probably had an axe this whole time in my chest. Okay. Hey, I got another one. No, don't let the chicken. Oh, that was so close. I don't need this. Okay, finally, I can do stuff now. Oh, that took so... Bro. Oh my gosh, so I have to put... How much things do I have to do? Bro, this... Oh yeah, ore. Here, emeralds. Take my emeralds. Hi. Bro. I thought that... this chicken... So... Okay, finally I can... Oh... Finally, I can get some wood. Oh yeah, but it is better if I just... Wait. I can't get 2 more pieces of wood. That's great. Oh yeah, slabs. I need slabs. Boom, boom, boom. I can't get any. Bro. Oh yeah. So do I have a... Yes, I do. Why is there... You know what? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. What? There was this in here, which shouldn't be. Okay. I already had an axe. Oh my gosh. Bro, chicken, do not do that. Chicken, chicken, no. Chicken, come here, chicken. You know what? At this point, I don't want you following me around anymore, so. There, finally. But now I can finally do this. I just wasted literally all my wood on slabs. Okay, we need to get this done. Quick and done. Also, I got to go to the bathroom. Bye. I am back. Bro, I don't want that message. Hi, chicken. We're almost done, so you can probably get into it a couple days later. No, actually one, probably. But, wait, no! That's wrong, that's wrong, that's wrong. So look, boom, boom, no. Yay! Okay, hopefully that's good. Now I need to set the dropper there. Oh, no, I can't. The dropper needs to be there. There has to be a chest there. Oh, yeah, I did it. Where's the chest? Oh, I had it in my own. Did it? I don't know why I need a double chest for that, but... Oh, wait. Do I have a pickaxe? Most likely, yes. Oh, wait, no. Okay, now it can open. Yay! It can open somehow through the dropper. That's kind of cursed. So now, oh, oh my gosh. I mean, it's not diamonds, but it's still cool that I found that. I don't need these. Oh, how long is this? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I could just use 2 slots. A day where that's actually useful. Oh my gosh. That chicken is just looking at me in the distance. It's like, let me out, bro. If you're gonna get let out, you're gonna get really let out. But, yep. That's how it works, bro. Okay, retrieve. Oh, you made an egg. I just farted at the same time, though. Okay, come here. Come here. I almost said my dog. Yay. Did I get it back, I think? Probably. Oh. Well, you can't get out now. And I got... Well now, I'm stuck too. Just don't move, just don't move. No, no, no. Why do you do that? Wait, can I do this? No. Yay, I did it! Now I just have to break this thing. Never mind, I don't have to. Okay, bro. It is time for you to go inside again. Finally, this mini-sode is over. It's not even a mini-sode at this point. Okay, yeah. I'm not making this a mini-sode. This is a regular episode now. Bro, where are my leashes? Leads. What? Where'd it go? Oh my gosh, bro, I am blind. Bro, where'd the chicken go now? Oh, it's over here. No, no, no. I almost said my dog's name again. Oh my gosh. Come in, bro. Come in. No. By the way, I'm free on saying my dog's name on YouTube. I don't care. Oh my gosh. Just get in. Yep, wanna get in? Okay, chicken, you can get in now. Now look. Now I can finally do this. Except I just need to remove this. Bro! Get in, bro! Oh my gosh, bro. Just get in. Get in. Oh my gosh, all that for a chicken to die. And I can't even get the chicken. You know what? This video ends now.